welcome back to Open, everyone. So Thanksgiving is over. And like many, the refrigerator is filled with tons of food. And so our next guest is a master chef in her own right, originally from the South Bronx, inspired by her community. And she's also the personal chef for American rapper Talib Kweli. And well, she's going to help us turn our Thanksgiving leftovers into a tastier dish. Everyone, please welcome Chef Marivee. Hello.
Hello, hello. Thank you for having me.
We are excited to have you. And well, what I'm noticing off the bat here is we've got a lot of healthy dishes.
We do. It actually comes off, as you said, Thanksgiving leftovers. You have your sweet potato, your collard greens, and I notice what people are doing, the transition of pescatarian or vegetarian. So I have a little bit of salmon here.
All right. So what exactly are you going to recommend here, right? So you just introduced, we've got collard greens. This is
your sweet potato.
Sweet potato. I don't know if they could see that. Sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
And then
you got your, this here is actually what it's going to turn out to. So
okay.
You have your collard greens, like I said, your salmon, your sweet potato. I was going to bring over the cranberry sauce, but we left that. It was short period.
All right, so what are we going to do?
So here today we're going to do a sweet potato roti, and actually it takes 2 ingredients, sweet potato and flour. So all you have to do is mix these 2 ingredients, like I said, sweet potato and roti. Mix that up, and it's going to be a consistency just like this you see here. You want to break that up into 4 pieces or however you like. Put it into a ball, roll it out. Put that right on a pan. You're going to see it bubble up. Once you see that bubble up, you'll pull it right off. You start on to your next ingredients.
Oh my, so it ends up turning out looking like bread.
Yeah, basically, it's a flatbread.
It's a flatbread, but it's healthy.
It's healthy because you have your sweet potatoes, so you don't, again, you want to make sure you're taking your Thanksgiving leftovers and making it into that nice, innovative dish. So here we have, again, that roti.
Yes, and trust me, it makes a difference because you don't want to eat the same looking thing, right? So I know you have some other ideas here, right? So what else do we have?
With the jerk salmon, you'll usually for Thanksgiving have your whole piece of jerk salmon. So the next day I would like to make what we call salmon cakes.
Salmon cakes. Wow. So how do you do that? I want to show that to, let me show that to everybody. So these are the salmon cakes she's talking about.
So what I do there is I'll just shred up the salmon. Again, this piece here will be done essentially because you're making it for Thanksgiving. And then you're just shredding it up. You'll add in either your quail egg and a little bit of flour just for binding. Mm-hmm. Again, you want to put that on a nice hot plate, which I have here. Flip this over. This is good to go.
And then this is, so this is this mixed with this.
Yes.
These are quail eggs.
Quail eggs, yes.
And so then, but first you cook this, right?
Yes, that's going to be cooked because you're already getting your Thanksgiving leftovers.
Right,
so
it would already be cooked,
it's already
right.
Cooked.
So it's just a matter of mixing it with that, making it into a ball, putting it here.
Putting it on a flat pan or your flat sheet.
And then this is what?
And that's what it's going to
the results. All right, so then I see you have my favorite over here, which is collard greens.
Yes, and you definitely have to have your neck bone in there, as my mother would say.
Yeah, neck bone.
Yes, your neck bone has to be in your collard greens. So again, I picked the collard greens because it's a green. I do not eat any dish of mine or prepare a dish without a green, essentially. So all we're going to do here is actually make, you want to do a sandwich. You can make tacos essentially with this. And all we're going to do is, again, just add all the ingredients. And this is great for lunch for the kids to go to school, or for yourself going back to work. It's a nice, easy grab. Also, it can be made for breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
Right.
Because, again, you have your quail eggs, you have your salmon, so you have enough protein and vitamins to last you throughout the day, which, again, I am huge on. So you want to place, again, your salmon. You could top that off with some collard greens. My layer of sauce will usually be my cranberry sauce.
Right.
Or for breakfast, which is amazing, which I'll do here with the asparagus, I'll have some asparagus and put some hollandaise sauce on there for breakfast. So you can have it many different ways.
And to
then-
top it off, it's all healthy.
Yes, to top it off, it's healthy. And again, you want to crack your quail eggs. You can actually do this. I love this thing here, guys. This is a flat pan. It is hot, so we want to be careful. But I can actually cook everything here simple. I can actually crack this little quail egg, which I'm about to do. Show you guys. We're going to get it done right here.
Any particular reason why a quail egg?
They're just small, cute, and has more vitamins for me in particular.
Okay, and just share with everyone why it's so important for you to have greens on your dish, because I think it's important that everybody understand that it is important to have it on your dish as well.
Well, again, I'm big with nutrition itself, and I have to have greens because you have your nutrition in there. You have your vitamin B, your vitamin A, your calcium. Everyone likes to take pills and your vitamins through pills, but if you honestly get it through your food, you're getting the best nutrition you can actually possibly get. It's through your food. All the diseases start off with what you're putting in your body. And again, feed your brain. Why are we feeding our brain omega-3s? Again, you have your omega-3s, you have your vitamin A, you have your vitamin B, your salmon. Come on, salmon is huge. You definitely want to put that in your body. This egg is basically done, and it's just that. Put that there. And
The beauty is that I can eat this dish, right? Because I don't eat red meat either. So
you can eat this dish. Again, pescatarians, vegan people are being vegan. Pescatarians are transitioning to this, so this is perfect for those people. And again, it's easy, it's fast, it's quick. Easy peasy, beautiful cover girl is what I like to say.
I love it. Cover girl with the nutrients in
with
mind.
Nutrients in
That's
there.
it.
Absolutely.
Awesome. Thank you so much for bringing it here
thank you.
and showing it to us. Should I taste it?
You should.
All right, let me
it.
taste it. I don't know how I'm going to do that though. All right,
We
we'll put it
can-
on this plate. I always
yes.
like tasting the final outcome because you know
And
this,
again,
it just looks so delicious. I have to try it. I should have eaten it on this side where it's hot. This is really good. This is really, really good.
Thank you. Thank you.
All nutritional too.
Yes, and then again, you have a little bit of spice because remember the salmon was a jerk salmon for the holidays. A lot of people like to create different dishes. So
Enhance the flavor.
Yeah, enhance the flavor. So the jerk salmon with the collard greens. Don't forget your cranberry sauce.
Right.
Perfect topping.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you for
Thank
bringing it
you.
here with our
Thank you.
viewers. Once again, you guys, for more on Chef Marivee and her food, you can check her out by visiting her on Instagram at Chef Marivee. That's Marivee. Stay tuned because Bobby C's Weekly Sports Roundup is coming up next.